Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Michael of Loveland, Colorado. This is crazy. I've been trying to resolve my claim for 3 months now after a storm damaged my roof. The roof is still leaking, just making things worse. There's significant and obvious hail damage all over the roof. They are willing to replace things damaged inside, but not the source, which is outside. It's crazy, right? I'll tell you this. If you're a consumer, a policyholder, a property owner, a residential homeowner, commercial property building owner, if you've been working on the claim for 3 months without any major progress, I'm talking like major progress, you need to get somebody involved because their delay in the insurance claim process is gonna cost you money. If you're having stuff get worse and worse and worse because they're not addressing the problem in a timely fashion, look, it's your responsibility to mitigate that damage. You can only do so much, and if it keeps getting worse and worse and worse, they're gonna try to blame you. You need to get somebody on your side, on your team, making sure you have the best coverage possible and making sure somebody's navigating you through the often difficult and confusing insurance claims process to make sure you are actually getting what you deserve from the claim to be made whole or indemnified. As my good buddy Mike likes to say, indemnification is just simply this. You as the policyholder, the insured, has to be made as good or better than before the loss. That's indemnification. So if you're not being fully indemnified, you need to contact us today, bellatorclaims.com today.